Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my fall trend guide. So in case you're new to this series, basically what we do is we break down all the hottest trends from Fashion Week and show easy ways to wear them in real life. So I got a lot of questions about what shoes should I be wearing for fall. One word, booties. There are tons of booties out right now, so I just wanted to show you 8 of my favorite trends. Yes, 8 different shoes. That way there's something for everyone. Okay, ready? So those are my 8 favorite style booties for fall, and if you want to see outfit ideas on how to wear them, and make sure to subscribe because in upcoming trend guide videos, I'll be incorporating those shoes into outfits. And speaking of outfits, I want to see how you are rocking your booties and all the trends we've been covering this season. So just upload a photo to Instagram tagging SS Trend Guide and @Sydney Summer. You trend girls have been killing it. So these are just some of my favorites. I've been featuring my trend girls of the week over on Instagram on my Insta story. So definitely follow me over there. As always, you can always ask me questions in the section below, and I also link to the boot styles down there. So I'll see you next Thursday. Bye. Hey, I'm Sydney. So basically, okay. So those are 8 of my favorite styles, and